This is a short video to demonstrate how Horizon Engage can improve your Inspect and Adapt workshops. For more facilitator insights, check out the longer video with SPC Dennis Lozano, who has been supporting his organization's INA events using Safe Collaborate and now Horizon Engage for many years. If you search for Inspect, you'll see 3 versions of this template available as public templates. One way to organize your events is to create a folder for this work and then add the template to the project in this folder. This has a number of benefits beyond visual organization. It also makes it really easy to download a single spreadsheet with all of the data from every session. I will follow the advice from Dennis, who recommends scheduling each group as a separate event, and when you have the information available, you can add the facilitator's name to each group so they have all of the facilitator controls available to them when their event starts. Once you have each group scheduled, you can start each one so that you can adjust the starting condition. When you know the problem you want each team to work on, you can add it ahead of time. When you're ready to share the join URL, you can find each team's event info just by clicking the join button on each event's card. When all of the teams have completed their event, you can download the combined results of all of the INA team events in a single spreadsheet from this Combined Results button. The spreadsheet will include all of the info you need to understand where the item was placed, because this template includes regions for data analysis. I will cover this feature in a separate video.